A refrigerator keeps food fresh by removing heat from inside and releasing it outside.
These four main parts work together to create cooling. The compressor compresses refrigerant gas and increases its pressure and temperature. Inside the condenser, the hot gas releases heat and turns into a liquid. The expansion valve reduces pressure, making the refrigerant extremely cold. The evaporator absorbs heat from inside the refrigerator, making the air cold.
This cycle repeats continuously to keep the refrigerator cold.
And that's how a refrigerator keeps your food fresh every day.